Thanks so much for staying with us for the weather report and forecast. Now, in the Eastern Caribbean this evening, we are monitoring a weak trough system that does have some significant cloud activity along its border. It is creating some shower activity also across sections of the southeastern portion of the Caribbean basin, and we can also see some isolated thunderstorms along the axis of this trough. Now, in the Western Caribbean, we have a stationary frontal system that is presenting some weak shallow clouds across the general area. There's no significant movement as well. We're not expecting movement also into the Caribbean. We're expecting the system to stay north of the area with continued clouds across sections of Cuba as well as sections of southern Florida. Now, the forecast for tonight, we are expecting partly cloudy skies covering most of the island. Temperatures are expected to drop to about 24 degrees Celsius for Kingston and for Montego Bay. In the morning tomorrow, expect partly cloudy conditions with some isolated showers mainly across sections of the northeast. And for the afternoon, isolated showers are expected further west, with temperatures reaching 32 degrees Celsius in Kingston, 31 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. Now, in our breakdown, we're expecting a mostly cloudy afternoon for Morant Bay and Kingston, also for Portmore, Spanish Town, and Maypen. Expect a few isolated showers in the afternoon in Mandeville. Further west in Santa Cruz, as well as in Black River and Savannah Lamar, we are expecting partly cloudy conditions for the afternoon. Also across sections of Negril, expected to be partly cloudy in the afternoon, while across Port Maria and Port Antonio, we are expecting isolated showers in the morning. As for the next few days, expect partly cloudy conditions, especially in the afternoons on Saturday and Sunday, while on Monday and Tuesday, we do have morning showers across sections of the northeast with partly cloudy skies in the afternoon. For the marine forecast on the north coast tomorrow, the winds are easterly at 10 to 15 knots and wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. On the south coast tomorrow, expect easterly winds getting to 15 to 20 knots and wave heights are between 1.5 and 2 meters, while for offshore areas we have east-northeasterly winds at 15 to 20 knots. There are currently no small craft warnings in effect. The wave heights are between 1.5 and 2 meters, and we're expecting similar conditions, 15 to 20 knot winds out of the east on Saturday and Sunday. Also on Monday, wave heights in between 1.5 and 2 meters. The sunset in Kingston tomorrow is at 5:30 and at 5:36 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. Thank you so much for watching.